Matthews now, Brian Reon, and the keeper comes out and commits it. That's outrageous! He's got no business doing that!
Welcome to Tiski Diary, guys. First things first, remember to give it a like, remember to subscribe. Now, Muchabupule, Aslema Utsovila, guys. Hey, I don't know what the guys have against each other. Sazi we will get to that, and also Upito Musimane for the Ghanaian FA job. We don't know what that means for Kaizer Chiefs and for those who are hoping that he is named the next Kaizer Chiefs coach. Right, guys, let's first talk about the PSL title race. Very much interesting between Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. The last title race that was this interesting, it was between Pitso Mosimhane's Mamelodi Sundowns and Ernst Middendorf's Kaizer Chiefs 2019-2020 season. That was an exciting title race. It was won on the last day. Let's hope this one will go down to the wire. And guys, what a fantastic goal by Brian Leon, candidate for goal of the season. But I still think this one by Danson will win it. Yeah, that was a fantastic goal, fantastic technique.
History.
Fantastic technique.
What still?
Pass and their vision. So big ups to the School of Excellence. They're doing something right in terms of player development. They have a fantastic technique. I don't think he'll score another goal like that in his entire career. Right, guys. Ruan Gabriel. Let's take it as fake news at this time. No official confirmation. I see it all over social media. I see it all over YouTube, which he has signed for Kaizer Chiefs. We know that Kaizer Chiefs desperately are in search of a forward, but we don't know whether they've gone to Brazil to Cruzeiro, a well-known team in Brazil. Yeah, but Chiefs in Sainile, according to rumors on social media, he is a forward, he is a striker, and there is no official confirmation from Kaizer Chiefs themselves. So yeah, let's take it as in the Abazagu social media. We know that our fans are ayatanda ukusayina lapha na go Facebook, na go Twitter, na go Insta. So yeah, guys, that is according to social media a signing for Kaizer Chiefs. But yeah, it is fake news until official confirmation. Right, guys, Andile Chali naye I don't know what his problem is. No Rulani. I think Rulani I don't think he will reply. We don't need a public spat between the two gentlemen. Angmazi wa Andile Chali akhulume so ngorulani. If you didn't see that clip
that one, me and him, yeah, we had fun, but at the end we didn't have fun.
Yeah.
Because I saw that he's becoming more to be a father to a person that is old.
The person that's old being you.
Yeah.
Oh,
so you can't be a father to me. No, I have kids, I have my family, I have a wife. No, now he wants to be my father again. No, it can't be. No, I want to work. I came here to work. But you can't be a father. You want to tell me what to do? I'm old. I know what to do, I know what not to do.
I don't know what.
Even nange talent anifiki nje kimi nje straight benimnandi ngendlela yenu, but talent pound for pound nami no. Sekumele manje sithule thina simamelane nani, niliwele nibhesha abo coach, nibhesha ama player week in week out sithule. No, that's wrong. Khulani madoda. Khulumani something productive. Ehamba nama facts. You don't even have facts. Uzothi Hugo Bros ngoba uthe uyahamba lo muntu angeke akunikeze nix usamgcineleni azange athi uyahamba uya retire. He's retiring. Two different things. So disappointed, bruh. But I will never keep quiet udelela head coach yethu umuntu osipane kangaka mfethu angeke people there.
Yeah, that was Ujabo Bafethu. What did you think? Drop your thoughts on comments as khulumeni ngayo le ndaba. Yeah, was it necessary for him to make that recording and I directed good? So I think maybe Begamele approach didn't need to do it publicly. Begamele approach privately in his face. I'm jelly the way I feel ngakhona nalama remarks nowazwile ukuthi utheni. So, and yeah, the show, we all know the show that Tso Vilakazi is usually on, and I don't think it was necessary for him to criticize that show. We know that he's also got his podcast. I think maybe, just maybe, he should focus on his own and respect other people's opinion. We are all entitled to each other's opinions, guys. We don't necessarily see the same views or share the same views. But yeah, guys, let's respect each other and in terms of Slonipaneni Nama views. And thank you guys for respecting each other's views. And those of you who comment, usually make comments on the show, you say you make respectful comments. So nyabonga, guys. And in terms of ama shirts, apelile ama t-shirts, guys, I will let you know ma kona ama order. Right, what do you think of the title race, guys? Asikhulumeni ngayo, it is very hot between Mamelodi Sundowns nePirates bafethu. Niyabona laphayana this week kuba yilaba abaphezulu. This week bayehla abanye Makhosi. Where are you in this whole scenario? Do you think Kaizer Chiefs will make the top 3 or top 4 and badlale laphayana ku CAF? Because Kaizer Chiefs desperately needs to be competing in that space on a regular basis in terms of ukuthi bakhuphule i-profile yabo nokuthi gain that experience. We saw them going out or bowing out on goal difference. I know it was a big lesson for Kaizer Chiefs, and I think if they qualify for CAF, it will augur well for next season in terms of the experience gained. Right, guys, Ujabu Nimzwile again, Nani, I've played the clip for you. Let's talk about it on the comment section below. Upito apply, guys. We know that Ghana have lost 5 games in a row and they fired the coach. And Pito it's official now. He's applied for the Ghanaian FA top job of Ghana. I coach Lapagu FIFA World Cup. Do you think what does that mean for Kaizer Chiefs? Asazi, the purported negotiations, is it a sign that maybe they are not going well, or what do you make how are you guys reading the situation between Mjongba Upito applyile laphayana for the Ghanaian FA job? What does that mean for I know some of you guys are hoping that he is the next Kaizer Chiefs coach. The mandate was delivered, fans at I am Tela. You saw that March, that memorandum that was handed over to management, the fans saying, Bacela Uguti Upito Albe next coach. Yes, I'm gonna get next coach apply Lapana for the Ghanaian job. What does that mean for Kaizer Chiefs and what does it say which goes our line between Kaizer Chiefs and Pitso Mosimane? Is it an indicator? Perhaps it could be, perhaps it could not be. Let's not maybe read too much into the situation. Coaches are always applying for jobs, and yeah, we know that the World Cup is the highest stage or the highest level of football, and everybody wants to be in that space. And you can't blame Upito na ukuthi afune ukuba ku World Cup with the Ghanaian national team. All right, guys, remember to give the show a like, and remember to subscribe. I'll leave you with this video, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, bye-bye.